Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Miracles during the patronage of Hadrat Abu Talib. Hadrat Abu Talib used to say that the Holy Prophet ﷺ was extremely blessed. When the children woke up early in the morning, they were covered with eye gunk, their hair was scattered. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ got up, his hair was combed and had enriched with oil. His eyes seemed as coal had been applied. Abu Naim narrated, Aman, who said, I have never seen the Holy Prophet ﷺ did complain of hunger or thirst, neither in the childhood nor in old age. In the morning, the Holy Prophet ﷺ would go and drink Zamzam. Sometimes when we served food, the Holy Prophet ﷺ would say, I'm full. Hassan bin Sufyan has narrated from Hadrat Ibn Abbas that Hadrat Abu Talib used to give breakfast to his children and leave them eating. But the Holy Prophet ﷺ would stop his blessed hand from eating. When Hadrat Abu Talib saw this, he separated meal of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. He used to arrange a special meal for the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Hadrat Abu Talib used to sleep next to him. The children of Hadrat Abu Talib were not satisfied when they ate together or separately. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ ate with them, they would all be full. Hadrat Abu Talib, when he wanted to feed his children in the morning or in the evening, would say, Stay now, so that my beloved child will come. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to come and eat with them, their meal would be more than enough by blessing. If they did not eat with the Holy Prophet ﷺ, they would not be satisfied. If there was milk, he ﷺ would have drunk it fast. Then the other children would hold the same cup and they would drink from it, and the last person would also drink from the same cup. It would become profound in quantity, though that milk could easily be drunk by only one person. Abu Naim. Ibn Sa'd narrated from Amr bin Sa'id that Hadrat Abu Talib said, I was with my respected nephew at the place of Dhul Mazaj. I was thirsty. I complained to the Holy Prophet ﷺ and I said, My nephew, I'm thirsty. I told him only because he ﷺ could see nothing but panic. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, Uncle, are you thirsty? I said, yes. The Holy Prophet ﷺ struck his heel on the ground. The ground sprung out a small stream of water for drinking. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, Drink water. I drank water. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.